In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily install a slow close toilet seat cover. You primarily have two types of toilet seat covers, elongated or round. And again, there are a lot of manufacturers from American Standard and Kohler that make such products. In this case, I'm replacing an existing Kohler standard non-slow close toilet seat cover. Toilet seat covers are very easy to replace. They're only held by two screws and two plastic nuts. The first thing you're going to do to replace the existing toilet seat cover is pop open the clips and unscrew the screws. Now these plastic nuts that I'm taking off are pretty standard on Kohler products and can be reused or safe for future use if the screws become loose. Once the two plastic nuts are off, just remove the old cover and set it aside. For my specific application, I selected a Kohler Antimicrobial round, no slam, or slow close toilet seat cover. Installation is fairly simple. You have two screws, two plastic nuts, and two closing bumpers. Just pop open the clips, put in the screws, and start by hand tightening the plastic nuts. Now, once the plastic nuts are in place, you can use a screwdriver to tighten the lid down. You just want to be careful on this one because if you over tighten these plastic nuts, you'll mess up the thread and the cover will stay loose. Again, you don't want to tighten the screw to the point where it strips the plastic nut. Finally, you want to put on the two plastic silicone bumpers. And at this point, you can test your Kohler no slam or slow close toilet seat cover. Again, for this application, I chose to replace the existing toilet seat cover with a antibacterial Kohler toilet seat cover because it's a guest bathroom. In addition, this toilet seat, the slow close toilet seat, is great if you have kids at home. As always, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.